Hi everybody, Bob with Knivetown here. We're going to take a look at a Victorinox knife today. This particular model is the Climber. And this would be considered an intermediate model type of Swiss Army knife. It's not quite as extravagant as, say, the Swiss Champ or the Work Champ, but it certainly is significantly more than perhaps, say, the Classic or the Midnight Manager or something like that. It does come with this information here on all of the different tools and implements that can be used. Explains them and what they are. It ships in a box with that has a cutout design in it, so it doesn't roll or during shipping. That has a timeless and classic look to it. That look there is known the world over. Everybody knows that's a Swiss Army knife when they see it. This particular model does have the smooth, shiny finish, as opposed to the stippled or matte finish that some of the knives have. The length, end to end, is 3.5 inches, and the width of the knife is 9/16. It's 2.8 ounces weight, so it's just right as a pocket knife. And as a pocket knife, it's pretty tough to beat for functionality and practical use. There's the main blade on it, and that is a 2.6-inch blade. So that'll get a lot of good cutting done for you there. And that's the famous Victorinox steel. It's just always razor sharp. Man. It also comes with a smaller pen blade, and these blades open with a nail nick. There, and there. The pen blade is just a shorter blade for those smaller jobs. And we've got the scissors. It's a good pair of using scissors. You can clip something out of a newspaper, clip cloth, thread, paper. Really, a lot of everyday things can be done with that. Typically, the scissors are the most used tool on a Swiss Army knife. Can opener, that works well. I used a Swiss Army knife to open a can just the other day. It works perfect, works very well, and it does have a small flathead screwdriver at the tip there. Large flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener right here. Also, a wire stripper right there, that notch. On the back, we also have a a corkscrew. Very handy. Good for a picnic. Here we have tweezers. Excellent for picking up those small things or any kind of application. Fits right in the handle there and kind of clicks in a little bit. It's nice and snug. It'll never come out. Not accidentally. And then on this side we have a toothpick, what they call their toothpick there. plastic. And last but not least, a reamer. Good for drilling a hole in your belt, or whatever job you need that you could use that for. That's the thing about these knives. You put one in your pocket, and suddenly you find uses for it. And before long, you're wondering how you ever got along without it. This knife also has the Parcel Hook, which was intended as a handle, to be used as a handle. Hook it onto something that's been tied up with string, and then use this as a handle instead of the string cutting into your hand. Of course, and there's many kinds of uses you can think of for that too. That's a classic tool. Great as a gift. That's a excellent gift. Immensely practical. I have a number of Swiss Army knives, and you think I use one just about every day. Great company. Been around many years. Good quality stuff. All right. Well, thanks a lot. I'll see you again.